All right, well, back here we're going to talk today about vertical asymptotes. Asymptotes. There we go. A vertical asymptote is basically, it's on a graph. It's like a force field that you cannot go through when making your graph. But for our purposes, we need to know how to find vertical asymptotes. And the way to find them is based upon these easy steps. First step is factor. You've got to be able to factor. Okay? GCF, quadratic trinomials, difference of squares, those are the only three we've talked about. So you've got to be able to do all three of those. If you don't, go back in the other videos and find out how to. After you factor, you need to simplify. You simplify, So simplifying would be, 4 over 6. 4 over 6 simplifies to 2 over 3. Simplifying would be if I had x plus 2 over x plus 2, they cross out to 1 over 1. It just simplifies. We've got to know how to simplify. That is our second step. Third step is we set the denominator equal to 0. Okay, set the denominator. We do not set anything else. Don't set the numerator. Don't set anything. Just the denominator equal to 0. And last thing would be to solve. So once you set your denominator equal to 0, you solve. You'll probably come out with something fairly easy in the end. You'll have something like this, like x plus 4 equals 0. Solving that should be one step. Subtracting 4 on both sides, x equals -4 would be your VA. Okay? And real quick, I'm going to show you how to graph something like a VA. So VA, what it kind of looks like is, I'll make my own graph here. We're going to go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go to x equals -4. So right here, it says x equals -4. We're going to go to -4. I like to put a little dot there. A vertical asymptote, okay, how I recognize is vertical is going up and down. So vertical goes up and down. So when drawing your line better go up and down. So watch how I make this line. I start at -4, and I make a dashed line going up and a dashed line going down. That's all your vertical asymptote is. A dashed line going up and down, and when you make a graph, your graph cannot touch that point, that asymptote. And that is vertical asymptotes, kind of the introductory.